Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Increase Productivity. Today we come up with the exciting text effect. So, let's begin. Firstly, we are going to take our Instagram post blank page. Now, as you can see, we have selected. Now we are going to go to the element section and search for C. Now we have selected C. Now we are resizing it. After this, we are going to search for H. Now for O. And finally for P. So this will result to a word called as chop. So we are creating here the chop effect. Now after selecting all these letters, we are resizing it so that they will look appropriate and as well as cool. Now I am resizing it fastly so that it will save your time. Resizing process is going on. Okay, sometimes I'm nudging it by grouping and checking that all the letters are aligned properly or not. Okay, so finally it is done. Now I have changed the background color to blue and the text color to light blue. Okay, after changing it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate that text and just started cropping the text in the lower halves and the upper halves so that it will create a small difference, just like a slit between those two, so that we are able to create the chop effect, in future. So I'm just cropping it down in lower halves and upper halves. Process is going on. We are halfway there. Okay, it's happening. Finally, our cropping is done. Now what we are going to do is I'm just going to group the lower halves with each other so that I can shift them slightly to left. Now shifting it to left. As you can see, a little bit of chop effect has been already created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload an image, which is a PNG image of a black line shadowy effect. You can easily download such kind of images from the internet. Now after uploading it, I'm just resizing it and trying to cover that slit part with it so that it will create a chop effect. Okay, I have done it. Now I'm just zooming it out and seeing if there is any problem. I guess there is no problem. So I have completed this. Now I'm just trying to align it a little bit so that it will give us the more realistic 3D chop effect. Okay, again zooming it out. It's perfect, I guess so. Little bit shifting it. Okay, now I'm going to go to the text section and just selecting this text, and now I'm just going to delete the upper element and just replacing it with the text effect. change its color according to our post. Which color? Gray? Blue? No. I think green is better. Okay, so I think yes. Now our post is completed. I think we are there with our job effect. So it has been done. Now we're going to save it. Okay, so final effect is going to be look like this. So if you like this effect and want to know about more such effects, then please stay tuned with us. And for that, please subscribe our channel, hit the like button and also press the bell icon so that you get notified every time whenever we upload a new video. So we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.